with me, let's look ahead. Dreams are waiting just ahead. Tomorrow's bright, the future's near. Let's learn English without fear.
Clap your hands, tap your feet. Feel the rhythm, keep the beat.
Future tenses one by one. Learning English can be fun.
Tomorrow's calling, hear it say. Let's begin a brand new day.
I will study, you will smile. We will travel after a while.
He will help, she will sing. They will dance and happily sling.
Subject will verb one. Learning English can be fun.
No changing verbs, it's easy to just add will, that's all you do. I will help my mother, she will read a book. He will visit his friend, we will learn English. They will play football, the train will arrive soon. My father will cook dinner, the baby will sleep early. Our teacher will explain the lesson. You will become confident.
Tomorrow, soon,
Next week,
next year,
simple future.
crystal clear. Future's coming, don't be late. Learn today, you'll be great. Will plus verb one, sing with me. English is the place to be.
Tomorrow at 8, what will you do? I will be reading, how about you?
She will be cooking, he will be driving. They will be dancing, we'll be smiling.
We'll be frubbing, that's the song we love to sing. Action continues.
Future time, easy rhythm, easy rhyme.
I will be studying tonight. She will be cooking dinner. He will be sleeping. They will be playing cricket. We will be traveling tomorrow. The baby will be sleeping. The teacher will be teaching. The birds will be flying. The rain will be falling. My father will be working. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow night, help me,
Sounds just right.
help me.
Everybody now, let's sing.
Future action going home. Northern English all day long.
Before tomorrow reaches end, listen carefully, my friend. I will have finished, she will have arrived. They will have completed, we'll all smile with pride.
Living sweetly, easy as ABC.
Finish before a future time. Remember the rule with this rhyme.
I will have finished my homework by 7. She will have reached home by 6.
He will have completed the project. They will have eaten dinner. We will have cleaned the room. The train will have arrived. My father will have returned home. The baby will have fallen asleep. Our teacher will have checked the notes. You will have learned all the tenses.
By tomorrow, by next week,
Finish first.
that's what we speak.
We'll have
Part 3,
come and sing.
along with me.
Will everybody now let's sing.
Future action all in on. Learning English all day long.
Mission perfect continuation. Before tomorrow ends, here's a rule you'll tell your friends.
I will have been studying. She will have been working.
They will have been playing, we'll keep on learning.
Will have been verbing. Everybody now start singing.
Started before, still goes on. Future perfect continuous keeps us strong. I will have been studying for 2 hours. She will have been reading since morning. He will have been driving for 5 hours. They will have been playing since noon. We will have been waiting for an hour. The teacher will have been teaching all day. The baby will have been sleeping for 3 hours. It will have been raining since morning. My father will have been traveling for 2 days. You will have been learning English for 1 year.
Since 4
Remember more.
will have been.
That's the score.
That's what we speak.
Simple future.
Build up.
Future learning has become.
Future continuous. Action learn.
Future perfect.
Everybody knows.
Future perfect continuous. Long and strong.
Now you know future song.
tomorrow,
Soon,
next year too,
English dreams.
will all come true.
Present, past, future bright.
Now your grammar shines so bright. Soon again, don't be shy. Practice daily, reach the sky. And the rules be with pride. Let your English be your guide. We're one, learn 15. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Future tenses, one by one. When today, speak today. Practice every single day.
English becomes easy to do, and music reigns along with you.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए